So, you might remember my last little vlog. It was of me doing my very first tattoo on myself. And it was this tattoo right here. And when I did this tattoo, I purposely went pretty light, especially with the gray washes, because I wanted to test out how light of a gray wash can I use? How will it hold over time? And this is how it healed. You can see it's super, super faint. It's there, but... And I considered leaving it just to see in a few years. Honestly, it's a little too faint. We're gonna touch it up. It could be better, you know? If you wanna know the details of it. For the lighter part, that's the shadow behind, I used a 30% gray wash. And then the darker part, a 50%, and then the all black, obviously I used black. I'm just gonna approach it with adding a 50% gray wash in the back, and the darker phrase in front, I'm gonna shade in with 80% black, and then the black I'm gonna fill in with black. See how that goes. I do use a single liner for these, but for the all black parts, I use a very tight 3, because the space is really tiny. For things first, I'm gonna clean the skin. For some reason, this shit hurts. Is my period coming or something? Got me feeling it, caught up. I just finished outlining everything. I outlined the top 50% gray wash, the bottom phrase 80% gray wash, and then I went in with black to outline like the black areas. Now I'm gonna fill in the black. Now I'm switching to a really tight 3. Tell me why this shit's hurting like this. So I switched back to a single needle. Yeah, I wouldn't even mind leaving it like that, but I'm gonna just go over it because I'm committed. I'm gonna fill in the top. This is what we're working with. So you can see it's much darker than the first time I healed it. The top part will still heal lighter than what you see now, but we will check in. I think this will solidify a little bit more, you know? All right.